I've found the secret to making the best pot roast super tasty and melt in your mouth tender. Let's start by adding some oil to a pot. In the center of the pot, we'll add a very large onion. Next, we'll add cubed meat. Use any meat you prefer, but I suggest one with a bit of fat. After adding all the meat, let's sprinkle in some salt. A little black pepper. Some pre-fried garlic, or you can use fresh garlic. Now, let's add a splash of soy sauce. Then we'll give it a quick stir. Now just cover it. I used my stone pressure cooker, a budget-friendly kitchen tool. We'll open it occasionally and stir until the liquid reduces. Then we'll check if the meat is tender. If not, we'll add more water. Mine is already at the perfect consistency. Once the onions fully dissolved, your meat will be ready. Now let's just grab all this meat. Look how it's already falling apart. Just transfer it to your preferred dish or enjoy it right here. See how incredible this meat is? Quick, easy, and delicious. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick dish from Pour in the Kitchen. A big hug to you all. Until next time. Thanks, folks.